It's the one, the only Joey Nugs. I'm in Columbia, South Carolina at the Columbia Model Train Show and Sale. I'm going to prove something to you folks today that talk a lot of trash about model trains in the hobby. This train, including the tubular track and transformer, is only $55. So for you people to try to say that you can't afford to be in the hobby, you could start out low and always build up your set. This is a great starter little train set for somebody. $55, you could be in the hobby right now.